Welcome to our channel for rprogramming. In this video, we will talk about multiple linear regression with interactions using R. So in linear regression, sometimes we may want to add interaction terms between predict variables in formula. So for example, if you want to include the impact of weight of the car and horsepower of the engine in a linear regression with dependent variable is gallon per millage, so millage per gallon. So we can use LM/MPG. Then on the right side of the tilde symbol, we use HP weight, then plus HP column weight. So this term is the interaction. It's like HP multiplied with weight. So in R, we have to use column here in linear regression statement. So data from this empty car's data frame. So after this statement is run, so we can use summary fit to view the coefficients estimated and other statistics for this module. So next we will show how to implement linear regression with the interactions in RStudio. So it's quite simple. A fit equals LM/MPG, HP weight and HP column weight. Then data empty cars. Then summary of this fit object. So in the summary result, first is the statement of linear regression, then the residue, which is the difference between the observations and the fitted values. Fitted value is we fit into the linear regression for independent variables and with the coefficients estimated. Next is the coefficients estimated for each term in the linear regression. First is the intercept, then is the horsepower, then is the weight, then is the interaction term, HP and weight. So the estimated value and standard error, then the t-value. T-value actually is a division between estimate and standard error. So the last term is p-value. So this star, which means the significance for this variable. So which means the coefficient estimate is significant at this significant level. So sweet star is actually very low. So which means they're very, very significant for these terms. So next is the residual standard error with the fourth error term. Also error term is standard error. Then is a multiple R squared, which is the coefficient of determination, 0.88, which means the variance of the response. Here the response is the MPG variable. So the variance of the MPG actually explained 88% by the explanatory variables here. So here explanatory variable is weight, power and HP interact with weight. And unadjusted R squared is very close to this one, about 0.87. So next is the F statistic, is the F value on 3 and 28 degrees of freedom. And with the p-value actually is very close to 0. So which means this module is quite explanatory, has explaining power from this combination of explanatory variables and response variable. So the significant interaction between two predictor variables here says that if we want to know the response variable and one independent variable, so we have to set the other predictor variable with several constant levels. So for example, we set different levels for weight 2.2, 3.2, and 4.2. Then the linear regression becomes this simple linear regression now. 3 simple linear regression. So you can see for different weights and coefficients for the HP different. And you can also show the interaction using effects function from effects module. So we can use plot effect, the term mod x levels multi-line true. So here the term is quoted the model term to plot. And mod is the fitted module. And x levels is the variable to be set a constant variable. And the multi-line will show different line in one figure, and here the line option for different line type. So in R we can easily, first you have to install this package effects, and your R version have to be 4.3 with the latest version. So library effects. Then we can plot effect, this term we are interested in, and with the fit is the result of the regression module, and list with the weight we set 3 scalar value, and with the line type 1, 2, 3, and with the multi-line 2. So this effect for the HP and weight, so we become 3 linear regression with a single variable. So HP here is the explanatory variable, and with MPG for the response. This 3 line in terms of 3 different weights. Thanks for watching.